Alright guys, we're back and I am at the top. And I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Hold on, let me go this way. Alright, so I'm back at the top and my top is happens to be a corner. So I'm just going to do 3 single crochets in this top. But you know what guys, what I'm doing, I'm not working them together. So now that we're here guys, we are not going to be working this together. We're going to be working on one side only, okay? You're going to be working on that front panel only. So do not attach these guys. But remember, we're making a bag and we do not want to attach these. We want these to be separated where you can open it, stuff them with your good Valentine's Day goodies. Okay? So we're just going to go ahead and single crochet all the way down this side, guys. Alright, and this is super simple. Like I was telling you guys, it's super fun and super simple. Okay? And we're just going to single crochet around. Okay? Okay, and so we're here now, and I'm going to go ahead and single crochet across. So when we're here now, I'm just going to go ahead and single crochet in this spot right here. Okay, single crochet there, just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and I wonder what should I do here. You know what, I'm going to take that down guys, sorry. I'm going to go ahead, since this is the last one, I'm going to do 3 in it there again, give it like this nice little edge. So it's 1, 2, I got 2 already, and this is the 3rd one. And I'm going to do the same thing over here guys. Okay, I'm going to do 3 in this corner as well. This is going to give our work a nice finished edge. That's 2, and this is 3. Now we're on that back panel, so we're just going to go ahead and single around like so. And let's look and see what that looks like, if it doesn't look too weird. And I think it looks pretty good, because I want to be able, so we can weave a drawstring through it, and there'll be enough room to do so. So I think this one, the second one, looks a lot better than my first one, guys. So we're just singling along. Okay, so we're singling along, guys. Okay, and now, is this our last one? Okay, this is our last stitch. So we're just going to do 3 in that one. That's 2. This is 3. And now we're going to slip stitch into this first one here, or to this one right, this top one. I'm going to slip stitch like so and join, and there we go. This is our back. We're going to weave in all these ends and stuff guys, and then this is our front. What do you guys think? Again, like I said, I'm not the best stitcher in the world, but I think the kids will get the point, and it's handmade and it's made with love, right? So I'm going to go ahead and snip it. Oh, snaps. I don't want to snip that black. I'm not ready to snip the black yet. Okay, so got that woven off, right, guys? Okay. Got that part done. Yippee. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make a drawstring, and we're going to make some hearts. So I don't have that much time in here. So guys, I'm going to make 1 heart for you guys, and then I'm going to show you the drawstring, and then we'll be done, and then you know we can go from there. So with the heart, we're going to need our 3.5 millimeter hook, okay? And I'm going to grab my pink yarn. Now guys, again, remember, I would love to see if you do these in different colors, different themes. These will be super cute stocking stuffers at Christmas time. These would be super great like for baby shower games. Like, you know, all this stuff. You can do like the little baby colors. Like, these are super cute. Okay, so again, what we're going to do is you're going to take your 3.5 millimeter hook, and then you're going to chain 3. Okay, so we're going to chain 1, 2, and 3. Now after you chain 3 guys, you're going to just do a double crochet in the 3rd chain from hook. Okay, so we're going to do 1 double crochet. Now you're going to do 2 more. So again guys, it should be 3 double crochets in the 3rd chain from hook. I should have said that from the beginning guys. So 3 double crochets, 3rd chain from hook, Okay, and then after you do that, you're going to chain 2. So it's 1 and 2. And then you're going to do a picot stitch, picot. And what you're going to do is you're going to slip stitch. You're going to slip stitch. I hope you guys can see because I know it is, like, the flash is killing me, but it's kind of dark and we need some flash. So you're going to slip stitch right in that second chain from the hook. Okay. And then after you do that, you're going to just slip stitch it. And that's going to give you your point for your heart. Next, we're going to go in that same space. See that space there? It's a little tiny boy, but that's where we're going. And we're going to do 3 more double crochets. Okay, because this is going to be our other side of our heart. So we have 1, we have 2, and we have 3. Now the tighter you pull your tighter your tension is, that's where you're going to get the best, you know, the smaller of your heart. If you can't really get a good tension with this, maybe you want to use a smaller hook or something like that. So you're going to, after you do that, you're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. Then you're going to slip stitch in that same space we've been working on. Okay, right through there. We're going to just slip stitch right through there. See that? Now look at our heart. See? And then we're going to just kind of like chain 1 and we're going to snip. And then we're just going to pull through and kind of pull it tautly. So now we have our heart. I'm sorry guys, this flash is kind of sucky, but I just want it to be a little bit light. You know, I deal with horrible lighting issues in this apartment. So we have that, guys. I love it, I love it, I love it. And now we're going to make a drawstring. Now, I don't know what color to do the drawstring. Maybe I'll do red just because the outer part is red already. And I have to think of how many to chain. And so I have to think there's 9 stitches in the front, right? 9 in the back. And then we have 3 on each side. So that should be 18 plus 6 will be what, guys? 18 plus 3 is 21 plus 3 is 24. So let's do 24 chains, guys. And I'm wondering what should I do with? Should I do with my small hook? You know what? Let's do with our small hook, guys. So let's do 24 chains. I'll be right back, guys, after we do those. Alrighty, guys, I'm back, and I need to tell you something. I made a boo-boo, and I said, let's use a small hook, and let's chain 24. Well, that was completely wrong. So what you're going to use is your bigger hook, and you're going to chain as many as you can to get around here. I'm trying to use 40 to see if that's going to work, guys. So I just chained 40. After you chain 40, you're going to take your yarn needle, and you're going to take your yarn needle. I'm going to snip that because I don't think I need it. But you're going to take your yarn needle and then you're going to weave in and out around your bag. I'm going to probably start in my corner. See how that works. Let's see, I got this end. Okay. Let me go ahead and start in this corner. I'm just going to weave in and out. Now, I'm not going to do a perfect weaving, guys. I'm going to basically be weaving in my white stitches and my white, not the red, guys, because the white, it'll be easier. So I'm just going to be weaving around my white, right? Like in every few stitches. I'm not going to do like every one. So I want to kind of make it simple, guys. So I'll be doing like every couple stitches or so. Making sure I don't bump into my black needlework. But I'm going to be like weaving in, you know, every so often. But I didn't think about, you can really start, it's probably better to start here in the center, guys. So that way you can tie it up in the front like a bow. Maybe that'll be good. I'm sorry, guys. This is kind of like a on-the-fly pattern, guys, tutorial. Just because I just wanted to get something to you guys. So, it definitely can be better. But I just hope you guys get the gist of it. Because, you know, me, I just like to create some stuff and have some fun. But, again, it's not going to be perfect. But I like the fact that it's something for the kids. I think my yarn just got snagged, guys. Sorry. Okay, so again, I'm just weaving them in and out of these, my top row, my first row. Okay, and as you can see, as I'm weaving it in, you can see it kind of sink, it's kind of cinch up a little bit. And I'm almost done. Oops, sorry guys. I'm almost done, and I'm back, almost back at my center. And so I have that one done, and then I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to leave like one of these stitches separating the other one. Okay guys, so I just finished doing that, weaving them in, kind of stopping at the center. And so if we like squeeze them together, you have this drawstring where your pieces can go inside, your goodies will go. And if you open it all the way up, you'll have your board. So I think this is really super cute, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. The only thing I'm going to do is probably try to even these up. Again, I chained 40. You might want to chain maybe 50 or 45 or something like that. And then you want to knot them on the ends, guys, so they can't go back through your stitches. And so that's the only thing I would do. Again, we have our hearts. Again, like I said, you will want to do 5 of every color that you choose. So I'm doing like 5 pink, and I'm doing 5 red. And these are super cute, guys. Let me know what you think of this tutorial. I know it was kind of a spur of the moment thing, and the wording and stuff was kind of rough, but I wanted to kind of act like I was talking to you guys, because I am talking to you guys as you watch this, and I wanted to have some fun. So again, thanks for watching. I'm going to be coming with some more tutorials soon, some fun stuff. If you have any more ideas of what I can do, let me know, because I know how to set my camera up so I can do more tutorials. Thanks guys for watching, and until next time, love ya.